our cardboard, right? I'm gonna push it backwards a bit, and then we're gonna start drafting your own sleeve. Just make sure it's steady and block it over here. So what we need at this point is to get the full length of this sleeve template. So that would be, let's see, start 0 at the top. We're trying to get the full length of the sleeve template. So I'm measuring 50 there, and let's see the full length. So say 50 plus 11, that's about 61. And then what I'm gonna do is draw a straight line of 61, all right? So we start here, just start a little bit higher. So this is 50, and I need to add another 11. And I add 11 until there, right? So now that you have your long line of 61, I would like to check another measurement. So you're gonna draw about 23 centimeters across. So from this point, we're gonna come 23 centimeters across. So I'm gonna move from here and find me 23. Right. I want to throw my paper down so that it's not in the way, right? But as I was explaining, was that I was getting my line across. So I got a line of 23, which I drew up there. And then what I want to do from the 23 centimeter mark, I want to draw down 13, right? I'm gonna take a ruler. I'm gonna draw down 13 centimeters, and my 13 stops here. And then what I want to do is to curve up. See, the sleeve has a cap there or a curve up. That's what I want to do. So I'm gonna move from here and just freehand that, because the shape we're trying to copy is that over there. So with your own freehand, I want you to try and copy a shape like that. So I moved from my 13 mark, and I'm going up in more or less that direction. And then what I want to move on to now is just getting the measurement at the bottom there. That's your wrist area. So on the wrist, we've got about 14,5. So I'm going to go to the very bottom of my paper, get 14,5. Can even be 16. This is not any specific measurement. So let's use 16 rather. And then from this point to that point, I'm going to join with a ruler, right? And the sleeve is complete. Now we can cut out the sleeve, right? Remember what we just did is a basic block for a sleeve. It's not a customized sleeve yet. Right, so now I'm gonna cut our sleeve out. Cut it out, cut it out, cut it out, cut it out. And then cut the bottom. And cut the top. Right, cut in here too. Right, now we're done with a sleeve.